Hello guys, this is the voice authentication system web app, and now we are starting the test this app how it is work. To start with the sign up page, we enroll ourselves into the system, and after this we will log in through that account with the system. So let's start with the sign up where we put our information into the system. Example. And now when you click the record button, a model or an dialog box open where two paragraphs of text you displayed. The purpose of these paragraphs or text uh, is that the system will get your voice while you record and while you're reading these texts. The system will train the model over your voice while you are reading these texts after clicking this button. So after completing that process, you uh, check this option and click the register button. Then you are successfully added into the system database. After successful sign up, you can log into the system through your voice, either your voice or with your email passwords. But the basic purpose of this system to log in through your voice. So we provide our name and our voice, which we have already provided into the system. Oh, and at that time you just give 10 second voice sample to the system, and the system can match or with the already stored model of your voice and provide you access if your voice will match at that voice model. So system provide you a access into the system. And as well as system, we have created a separate sign-in with where you can enter to the system with your simple email password. As usual, we access um, some websites, and you click this button and you can access you can log into the system. And this is the home page of our voice authentication app, where you can see that a lot of stuff are over here. This is basically for banking website. So you can see that this is a banking website. And now we have we have checked that this is work well, and there is logout button, and that's it for my side. Thank you.